Hello everyone, welcome to Zen 1010, my channel, which means peace and endings and new beginnings. Welcome, I'm so glad that you're here with me. I already cleared the energy and prayed, so let's see here. See what kind of energies we're dealing with. I initially wanted to do a Leo reading, but I felt like God was pushing me to do a collective reading. So this will be a collective reading up until May 20th. And this is actually my second attempt. It's like the energies, there is the energy that is fighting against us right now. So we just gotta push through and keep going, right? Mercury retrograde, things start messing up and weird stuff happens. And if you're anything like me during Mercury retrograde, I'm sure you probably made a mess in the kitchen and spilt a few things on your shirt. It's just, I'm messier than a 5-year-old little child right now. So, I hope you all haven't had that kind of luck, but it happens to the best of us, right? So what messages do you want to give to the collective, Holy Spirit? What messages do you have? Ooh, there we go. All right. So, obviously, we have a different message here. So we have 7, unplug from mass consciousness. Wow. Yes. There is this mass consciousness right now that is just so out of alignment with God and what He wants for our life. And then we have the pink rose of Lady Nada. Ooh, that's a very healing energy with the rainbow and the Divine Mother. There's such a love here for humanity. And I'm just going to put these 2 cards upright so you can hopefully better see them upright than you can with them laying down. And then I'm also going to draw this top card. Healing, Master Healing. That does not surprise me. Number 33 coming out. And then Spirit wants me to flip this over. Dark Angel. Yes, so there is something happening right now, it feels like, with the collective. It's like the dark night of the soul. I feel like this dark angel has something to say about that. Let's see. Let's get into this. Although I don't want to read, like, because these are really long, so I'm just going to pick up the energies that I feel from a couple of the cards. And that one's right before this one. Okay, but we'll get into the Dark Angel first. The Dark Angel comes to you with a radical truth. Divine love is always there for you, without exception. Love will never forget you. It will never stop caring for you, even when it seems most unlikely. In fact, especially then, The divine is reaching for you and nurturing you. Even our wounds are ways that we can discover love and divine grace through the healing process. The divine is always helping you remember who you are and find your true joy. When the dark angel appears, you are being given a gift of light, even if it may seem to be a hidden blessing. So you can hopefully see that card up there. A dark mystery is one that helps us learn that even if things don't seem to be working out according to the timing or the methods that we believe necessary, the light and love of spirit are unfailing. If a door is closed in your face, it is the wrong door for you. Divine love will ensure that the right door opens at the right time. When you encounter darkness, how you respond can make either the dark or the light victorious. You can choose doubt and fear, or you can force the darkness to serve the light by choosing trust and faith. You are spiritually advanced enough to trust unconditionally. That is the trust that burns bright, not only when things appear good, but even when your mind thinks things seem to be heading in the wrong direction. Does unconditional trust mean that you give up if things get tough, assuming it is not meant to be? Of course not. Relying on unconditional trust and understanding the dark mystery, you are willing to go through periods of not knowing. You are willing to continue on your path even when you are not seeing immediate results, because in your heart you know it's right. This type of trust is powerful enough to release any separation between you and the universe. You know that. Even when the universe guides you into challenging territory, you shall benefit, grow in divine power, and become the amazing being that you are destined to be. Praying to the beautiful dark angel, writing, drawing, dancing your feelings, or dialoguing with your dream images, you can work through the pain of a challenging time and grow in wisdom. What matters is that you honestly express the depth of your suffering. Then, when you are ready, acknowledge that the experience has helped you grow. As you realize how we have grown through the experience, turning what was once a source of pain into spiritual light, we masterfully transform our deepest pain into our greatest growth and spiritual accomplishment. We become true spiritual alchemists, releasing light from darkness. As you learn to put more faith in love than in fear, your trust becomes increasingly unconditional, and you find the light even through the dark. In this way, you become initiated in the mystery of the dark angel. Then you can show others that this is possible. You can help heal others from victim consciousness and show them that inner peace is possible, even when they are facing the unpredictable twists and turns of life. If you have been going through a difficult time or struggling to heal an issue, the dark angel promises that even through the depths of despair, you shall find the light. In your own time, you will rise again into trust, restored faith, and hope. All will be well. The invocation of the dark angel card is, I call upon the wisdom of unconditional love, that I may be empowered to see the true light within everything and everyone, including that which holds the outward appearance of darkness. I honor the truth that darkness serves a purpose, and I treat it always as an opportunity to strengthen the light. I call upon the light of divine love to ignite the light of my own heart, strengthening it each day. Through divine grace, I am always held in the light. May divine grace shine through me and into the hearts and minds of all beings upon the earth. So be it. So here's the healing card. So there is a great healing that is happening right now in your life. The divine is lighting up your heart and helping you gain the knowledge to help heal yourself and to help heal others. So there's positive vibrations, positive thoughts that are coming in to light up your way and to light up your path. So you may also be coming into contact with people who are going to help you along your way. I'll read a little bit of the healing card here. You are asked to tune into your heart. What do you love enough to overcome any obstacle to attain it? What motivates and inspires you? Not what seems possible or practical, but what is authentic. We are most powerful when we serve authentically from the heart. A bird might learn how to dive underwater from time to time, but it is never going to be at its most powerful if it has to live underwater. It would struggle to thrive if it were to force itself into such unnatural expressions of its life energy. The bird yearns to fly because that is its divine nature and purpose. You too have divine nature and purpose. Your heart holds the clue, what feels most like you. Then there's this mass consciousness. Let's see. All right. There is a belief system based on fear, doubt, and distrust that is known as mass consciousness. It says it is safer to stay with the crowd, not to question what you have been taught. It says you cannot trust the divine to take care of your financial well-being or your emotional needs. It says you should be afraid and not take risk. It says that if you dare to stand up and live your truth, you'll be lost and alone, humiliated, rejected, or even destroyed. You are being guided to unplug from that system of beliefs. You are capable of a more creative, loving, and soul-satisfying way of living. To access this, let go of the way that is too small for your soul. You are brave and aware enough to think outside the square, beyond what society or your peers may consider normal. You are supposed to be questioning things right now. You are in a transition from one way of thinking to another, opening up to a new world which you can trust enough to live in with peace and happiness because of the upgraded new beliefs you are cultivating. No matter how others may resist or criticize your choices, perhaps your new ideas take you from the world they feel comfortable in. Your higher guidance encourages you to keep opening your mind to a more loving, higher reality. If you have been thinking along new lines and wonder if you are going crazy, your guidance tells you you are doing a great job. You are not crazy. Trust yourself. You are thinking in ways that do not belong to mass consciousness. It can seem very scary at first, but once you realize the benefits gained from unplugging, you will enjoy the process much more. It will free you and empower you to live a life of your own choosing. Opportunities and connections can open up to you in ways that defy your old beliefs. Sometimes breaking from the accepted norm, doing things differently, or being considered weird to family, colleagues, and friends is a sign that you are breaking away from the consciousness of the masses, which is not compatible with your own higher frequency consciousness. You were born to bring a new vibration of awareness to this planet. You will find those that can benefit and even love you for this difference, and those who are challenged or fearful of you for it. Either way, you can love and approve of yourself, nourish relationships that support you, and have compassionate detachment from those that do not, without compromising who you are in truth. So keep unplugging yourself, one layer, thought, word, and deed at a time, from that which the mass consciousness would have you buy into. More stuff, more fear, more competition, more doubt, and more suffering. You can challenge any thought you don't want to have. Free yourself. You have the power to change your world and the world we live in as a result. One liberating thought at a time. The invocation is, of my own free will, I now ask for spiritual intervention and divine protection through the guidance that loves me unconditionally. I now request the thorough and complete removal of any entity, thought form, belief system, cord, attachment, or conditioning from my mind and body and soul that does not resonate with the pure frequency of unconditional love. I ask for this process to happen with divine mercy, wisdom, and blessing. I call upon my own inner power and strength to listen for my truth and stand in the light of those truths at the perfect time and in the perfect way, with the loving and empowering assistance of my spiritual team. Through divine grace and my own inner spiritual authority, so be it. May all beings be blessed by divine love. May all beings be happy and free. Then we have the Pink Rose of Lady Nada. Let's see. You are in the midst of a heart healing. A healing of the fears and anxieties that have held you back from enjoying your full magnificence. Lady Nada is here with all her gentle power, washing you in soft pink light. All anger, fear, sadness, bitterness, disappointment, and hurt are soothed and loved into peace. She brings you a sign of your future blossoming into deeper love. The Pink Rose of Lady Nada is a spiritual gift from higher guidance. It brings love, healing, strength, and compassion to your heart. You may be burnt out or feeling anger, fear, depression, chronic fatigue, or compromised wellness. Perhaps your heart is so tired that you struggle with compassion fatigue, finding it difficult to care, even though your nature is one of deep compassion and kindness. Or perhaps you have put your heart and soul into something or someone and feel your efforts have been cast aside or taken for granted. Perhaps you are processing a great loss. Whatever the reason, Lady Nada has come to comfort your soul. Your pain will pass and your suffering will be alleviated sooner and more gently than you might expect. The Pink Rose of Lady Nada unfolds as an energetic gift, gently pulsing with love and beauty within your heart chakra. It brings you comfort, great emanations of divine love, and reassurance that you are so wonderful just as you are. Lady Nada is saying, how much I like you, dearest child of light. How deeply I love you. I send love and acceptance to you now so that you may come to love and like yourself with all the compassion, kindness, and unconditionality I feel for you. If there is anything or anyone you need to forgive, this gift from Lady Nada will empower you to do so. Your ability to forgive won't make you a doormat for others. It will free you to leave the past behind. So let other people's choices be about their learning rather than your value, and choose to love yourself now. If you are at a troublesome point in your life, remember that, despite the thorns, the rose has an exquisite perfume. It is a powerful and wise soul that chooses a path that has truly challenging moments. But out of those challenges, great empowerment can be developed. Do not despair if you seem far from the light. You are simply traveling through darkness for a time. Your inner light is strong enough to see by, even in darkest times. Still, that time will end soon, and you shall realize exactly how much you have grown through the experience. You will find your way into peace and happiness. Trust in your own light within and the loving kindness of Lady Nada's blessing now. It is enough to lift you into the light and love and peace. Come back to that love, to the pink rose unfolding in your heart, whenever you feel lost. Some challenges are meant to help you to grow in your ability to love without condition, to surrender to the divine, even when things don't seem to make sense. You undergo such challenges because you are capable, powerful, and wise. The universe loves you so much. It is guiding you into your most beautiful destiny every day. Release guilt and fear. Know that you are loved, always have been, always will be. Guidance is sharing with you now that, whatever your struggles may be, they will soon reveal themselves to be nothing more than steps along your path to the sweetest blossoming of your soul. Be patient. Rest with those rose light in your heart, dear soul. For inner healing energy is flowing into you now. Trust your heart to overcome any pain. It will indeed heal, open up, and love even more powerfully than before. Such is the courage of your heart. The invocation: I gracefully receive the rose light, the blessing of Lady Nada, and unconditional love. My heart softens and opens. The pink light of her rose blessing fills me with a sweet perfume. I let go. I feel safe and held. I know that I am loved always. I am grateful now and always for love's protection, intervention, guiding hand, and tender grace in my life in all ways. May I know myself to be worthy of love and love myself truly, so that I can truly and freely give love to others, to the world. May all beings truly know love through my own free will. So be it. So there is a healing taking place right now, a healing of the heart to detach from the negative thoughts and mindset of the collective consciousness right now. And let's see. Are there any other messages that you have for the collective? Going to draw some cards from the Lovers Oracle deck. See if Spirit has any messages that want to come out. Any other guided... Oh, that one. Any other guided messages? Oh, wow. Oh, I have two right here. This one. Alright, two more, Spirit, two more. More messages. message. Like that one. All right. All right, so we have soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So for you, some of you have a soulmate out there. Then we have this image of her lying, and she has heart symbols all over her body. So it's like a healing of love. Surrender. At times we must surrender the old before something new can enter our lives. Let go and all will work out. So you must surrender. Give thanks for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all that your heart truly desires. Yes. Then we have, when it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. I truly believe that. Whatever is meant for you will never pass you by. A message for you. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. I just feel like it's a message from God, just letting you know that, you know, God loves you. And I know some of you might be like, no, I don't think that's God. That's that's probably the one that I love. So take it how it resonates. Leave what doesn't resonate. So yeah, I feel like your person is showing up though. And this is the reason why you're having all this healing energy of the, collective consciousness and healing from the old paradigm of who you used to be. So if this message resonated with you, please hit that like, share, comment, or subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join me in more messages. I am going to start making it my mission to bring these messages to you more often, and just sending you so much love and light in your transformation, in your healing journey. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.